As night falls and the world begins to slow down, your body quietly prepares for its most important work: rest, repair, and renewal. But here's something most people never realize. A single glass, infused with one of the most ancient spices in history, could completely transform the way you feel when you wake up tomorrow. Tonight, we uncover the untold secrets of clove water, 9 powerful benefits hidden in this humble spice that science is only just beginning to confirm. If you've ever wondered how one simple nightly ritual could transform your sleep, your energy, and even your long-term health, then stay with us. 1. Deeper, more restful sleep. One of the first things people notice when they start drinking clove water at night is how much better they sleep. As we grow older, peaceful, uninterrupted sleep becomes harder to achieve. Waking up several times during the night can leave us tired and drained the next morning. Cloves contain natural compounds like eugenol that help relax the nervous system and reduce tension. This allows the body to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Imagine waking up in the morning without that heavy, groggy feeling, but instead feeling refreshed, calm, and ready for the day. This simple nightly ritual can make the difference between tossing and turning for hours and finally experiencing the deep, healing sleep your body has been craving. And this is just the beginning, because the benefits of clove water go far beyond better rest. 2. Gentle support for digestion. Now, let's talk about something many people quietly struggle with as the years go by: digestion. How many times have you finished dinner only to feel heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable later in the evening? Sometimes that discomfort follows us right into the night, making it harder to fall asleep and harder still to wake up feeling good the next day. This is where clove water becomes a small but powerful ally. Cloves are rich in natural oils that have been used for centuries to soothe the stomach and calm the digestive tract. When you drink clove water before bed, it gently stimulates your digestive system, helping food move along instead of sitting heavily in your stomach. But the magic doesn't stop there. Cloves also reduce excess gas and acidity. That burning sensation or sudden bloating that many people over 60 know too well, it begins to fade. Instead, you're left with a calm, light feeling in your stomach the way it should be. Imagine this. Instead of tossing and turning because of late-night discomfort, your body is quietly at peace. Your digestion works smoothly as you sleep, leaving you free to rest deeply. And when you wake up, no more heaviness, no more morning sluggishness, just a sense of ease, as if your body had quietly taken care of itself overnight. 3. Natural relief for inflammation and joint pain. As the years pass, one of the most common companions people face is discomfort in the joints. Knees that once carried you with ease now ache when you climb the stairs. Fingers that once worked tirelessly begin to stiffen in the morning. For many, this becomes an accepted part of aging, something they must simply live with. But what if nature had already given us a way to ease that burden? Clove water holds within it a remarkable gift: eugenol, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When you drink it at night, it works silently as you sleep, quietly cooling the hidden fires of inflammation that cause stiffness and pain. Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling less stiffness in your knees, less tightness in your hands. Imagine being able to walk more freely, to enjoy simple daily tasks without that constant reminder of pain. This is what consistent use of clove water can bring: a gradual but noticeable return of comfort and mobility. 4. Support for heart health and circulation. The heart is more than just a muscle. It is the rhythm of life itself, beating over 100,000 times each day to keep us alive, to carry oxygen and nourishment to every corner of the body. But with age, the heart often needs more care. Blood pressure rises, cholesterol builds, circulation slows. And quietly, without warning, these changes can lead to serious risks. This is where clove water steps in as a gentle protector. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, the invisible wear and tear that ages our blood vessels. They also support healthy circulation, keeping the blood flowing smoothly and reducing the strain on the heart.
Number 5. Strengthening the immune system. Our bodies are designed with an incredible defense system, an army that fights off viruses, bacteria, and all the invisible threats we face each day. But as we grow older, that army doesn't always respond as quickly or as strongly as it once did. A simple cold can linger longer, wounds can take more time to heal, and overall energy begins to fade. Clove water offers gentle but powerful support for this vital system. Packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds, cloves help strengthen the body's natural defenses. They work like a shield, protecting your cells from damage, and at the same time, fighting off harmful microbes that try to enter. When taken before bed, clove water gives your immune system exactly what it needs: time to restore and recharge. As you sleep, your body builds new immune cells, repairs tissues, and prepares to face a new day. With the added boost from cloves, that process becomes more effective, more complete. Imagine waking up not only refreshed, but also stronger, less vulnerable to seasonal illnesses, more resilient to daily stresses. For many, this simple ritual has meant fewer sick days, faster recovery, and a steady sense of vitality. It's a reminder that nature has always provided us with quiet guardians, small, unassuming remedies like cloves that hold the power to protect us, not just for a season, but for a lifetime.
6. Helping to balance blood sugar levels. One of the quiet challenges many people face as they get older is maintaining stable blood sugar. Sometimes it's a sudden drop that leaves you feeling shaky or tired. Other times it's a slow climb that leads to serious health concerns down the road. Over time, these ups and downs take a toll on your energy, your weight, and even your long-term health. This is where clove water can become a trusted ally. Cloves contain compounds that help improve the way your body uses insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. By making your cells more responsive, clove water helps keep sugar levels more balanced, preventing those dangerous spikes and crashes. For people who struggle with cravings late at night or who wake up feeling drained, this simple nightly ritual can make a noticeable difference. Instead of unstable energy, you begin to experience steady strength, clearer focus, and fewer sudden dips that leave you feeling weak. Imagine enjoying your evenings without the worry of blood sugar swings and waking up in the morning with more stable energy to carry you through the day. For many, clove water has been a natural step toward protecting not just daily comfort, but long-term health. It is another example of how a small habit rooted in nature can quietly bring balance where the body needs it most. 7. Supporting liver health and natural detox. Think of your liver as the body's silent workhorse, constantly filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and keeping everything in balance. But as the years go by, this vital organ often becomes overworked. Poor diet, medications, and everyday stress can all place a heavy burden on the liver, slowing down its ability to keep you feeling energized and well. This is where clove water offers an incredible advantage. Rich in powerful antioxidants like eugenol, clove water helps protect liver cells from damage while supporting the natural detoxification process that happens while you sleep. At night, when your body is in repair mode, these compounds step in to reduce oxidative stress and give your liver the support it needs to work more efficiently. Some studies even suggest that cloves may help the liver regenerate, almost like pressing a reset button on this essential organ. For seniors especially, this means less fatigue, better digestion, and a stronger defense against age-related decline. So when you drink a warm glass of clove water before bed, you're not just enjoying a soothing ritual, you're giving your liver a much-needed partner in its nightly work of cleansing and renewal. Over time, this small act can lead to brighter mornings, more energy, and a body that feels lighter and more resilient.
8. Strengthening heart and circulation.
As we grow older, the health of our heart and blood vessels becomes more important than ever. Issues like high blood pressure, poor circulation, and stiff arteries can silently creep in, raising the risk of heart disease or stroke. But nature, once again, gives us a simple ally, and it comes in the form of clove water. Cloves are loaded with compounds that support circulation and protect the heart. Eugenol, their most powerful active ingredient, helps relax and widen blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow smoothly. This gentle vasodilation not only lowers pressure on the heart, but also ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every corner of the body more efficiently. Clove water also fights against two of the biggest enemies of heart health: oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Both of these gradually damage blood vessels and make them less flexible. By drinking clove water at night, when your body is naturally repairing itself, you give your cardiovascular system the extra shield it needs to stay strong. Imagine waking up with steadier blood pressure, improved circulation, and a heart that feels supported, not strained. For seniors, this can mean more energy for daily activities, sharper mental clarity, and even a reduced risk of long-term complications. One small cup before bed becomes more than a soothing habit. It's a quiet investment in the health of your most vital organ, your heart.
9. Boosting immunity and defending against illness. Your immune system is your body's natural shield, protecting you from infections, seasonal colds, and even more serious health threats. But as we age, this shield can weaken, leaving us more vulnerable to sickness and slower to recover. That's why supporting your immunity becomes one of the smartest things you can do for long-term health. Clove water is a surprisingly powerful ally in this fight. Packed with antioxidants, antimicrobial compounds, and essential nutrients, it helps your body stay ready to defend itself. Eugenol, the main active ingredient in cloves, has been shown to fight harmful bacteria and even reduce the strength of viruses. Meanwhile, the rich antioxidant content works quietly at night, neutralizing free radicals and giving your immune cells the environment they need to function at their best. For seniors, this means fewer days lost to illness, faster recovery, and a body that feels stronger against the challenges of age. Instead of feeling worn down by every seasonal change, you can enjoy steadier health and greater confidence in your body's resilience. A simple glass of clove water before bed may not look like much, but over time, it builds a stronger foundation for your immune system, keeping you healthier, more active, and more protected against life's daily threats.
How to prepare clove water. Now that you know the powerful benefits, you might be wondering, how do you actually make clove water? Don't worry, the process is simple and takes just a few minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 4 to 5 whole cloves. Steps to prepare: bring the water to a gentle boil in a small pot. Add the cloves and reduce the heat. Let them simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the water turns a light brown color. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and allow it to cool slightly. Strain the water into a clean cup or jar, and it's ready to drink. How to use: drink 1 glass in the evening before going to bed. You can enjoy it warm or at room temperature. If the taste is too strong, add a teaspoon of honey to soften the flavor. But remember, not more than 2 cups per day, because cloves are very potent. Start small and see how your body responds.
Clove water may look simple, but inside this little spice lies centuries of wisdom and a wealth of healing potential. From better sleep and digestion to protecting your heart, liver, lungs, and immune system, this nightly ritual could be one of the easiest ways to support your health naturally. So why not give it a try tonight? Brew a cup, sip it slowly, and let your body do the rest. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried clove water before? Or are you planning to make it part of your nightly routine starting today? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss new health insights. Remember, your journey to wellness is full of discoveries.